How to use the microwave oven. Ensure that the microwave switch is turned on here. Press this switch, place the food right in, place the cover on top, close it all the way. Now here we have different types of cooking, either microwaving, grilling, the option over here, defrosting. However, just to heat up food, we always recommend hitting the 30 seconds by increasing the time by 30 seconds every time, or else we can stop, reset, or else we can always turn the heating, the different type of cooking methods. Select, increase the time by selecting timer and increasing or decreasing. Once selected, just press play and reset. To collect your food, press this switch and collect your food.